Hello everyone and welcome back to our video series on learning German for beginners. In this lesson, we'll explore a variety of greetings in German, along with their pronunciation. But before we dive in, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like this video, share it with your friends, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our lessons. Let's get started with lesson number 2.
Lektion 2.
Throughout our series, you'll notice that the German word will appear in black text, and the English translation will follow in white.
Begrüßung.
Greeting. In this video, we'll cover different forms of greetings used in various German-speaking countries to develop a good command of the language. It's crucial to repeat what you hear a few times to improve your pronunciation.
Hallo.
Let's start with the basics.
Hallo.
It's the German equivalent of hello. Repeat after me.
Hallo.
Great job. Notice the subtle difference in pronunciation compared to the English. Hello.
Guten Morgen.
This means good morning. Try it with me.
Guten Morgen. Guten Abend.
For good evening.
Guten Abend. Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht.
When it's time to say good night, use hi. These days, some people also greet with a simple hi. You can use hi in informal situations.
Auf Wiedersehen.
To say goodbye.
Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.
For a more casual bye, you can say
Tschüss. Hallo. Tschüss.
in some situations, you might use both hello and bye together. So, covers both greetings.
Hallo.
Tschüss.
Bis bald.
To express see you soon, say
Bis bald. Bis später.
for see you later, use
Bis später.
Learning these greetings will help you in various social interactions and make your German language journey more enjoyable. Keep practicing these greetings until you feel comfortable with their pronunciation. In our next lesson, we'll explore more useful phrases and expressions to enhance your conversational skills.
Vielen Dank.
In our next lesson, we'll explore more useful phrases and expressions to enhance your conversational skills. Vielen Dank for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.
Auf Wiedersehen.